So I know for sure you missed this. Because I miss it too. Ready na ba kayong sumigaw? Ready ka na bang sumigaw, Maring?
Yeah.
Are you ready to shout the hello? No, he doesn't know the hello. It's crazy. He needs to learn it. But okay, whatever. Are you okay? Ready, Maring?
Yeah, ready.
And 3, and 2, and 1. Hello, and mga kamas! I'm back. Did you miss me? Cause I miss you. Anna! Oh my god, I'm back. Finally, I am back. So, time check is 12:22. It's Sunday, and the weather outside is not giving. Girl, umuulan, girl, nakakaloka. So, nasa sasakyan kami ng jowa ko. What the fuck? And may jowa po ako, opo. Hi, babe.
Hello.
That's my boyfriend, like, girl. 2024. No, we met last year, so it's 2023. Nagka-jowa. Guys, nagka-jowa ako doon. Akalain yun. Naitaas na po ang bandera ng Pilipinas. And also, we have a special guest. He just woke up. So, ayun na. Ito na nga ang mga pangyayari sa buhay. Saan ba ako maggaling? Dai! 3 to 4 years na dai. No vlog. Ano lang. Tapos medyo ano rin ako, medyo quiet din ako sa live. Oo, true. Medyo quiet din ako sa social media. Konti. Ano lang ako, nabubuhay lang ako sa Facebook pag may mga away-away. Like, girl, for the drama, for bardagulan. Like, I live for the drama. Maybe I am the drama. I think sometimes I am the drama, right, babe? Usually the drama, see? Do you agree? Yeah, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, nasa ano po ako, dahil nag-America si bakla, dahil kalain mo yun, nakapag-America, English, nakakaloka, kaya naiinis ako, dahil kasi yung baong kong words, 38 lang. Tapos, yun na, kapag nag-aaway kami ng jowa ko, dahil hanggang mga 1 word, 2 words lang. Yun na nga, nag-America si bakla, trabaho, ng folk. Di ba, Marie?
Yep.
Nung pumunta ako dito, ako lang muna mag-isa ng New York, mga 2021. I would say 2021 ako nag-New York, tapos si June Lex, Ohio siya, 2021. Mga November ako, June ako, si June Lex nag-November 2021, Ohio siya na-assign sa trabaho niya. Tapos si Maring Julius, March 2022, ang March 2022, Florida si bakla. Never nakapag-snow. This year, yung first snow niya sa US. Ang init kasi sa Florida. So, yun na, work. Tapos nung natapos na sila, dito na sila lumipat. Kasi it's New York. You know what is New York? New York is the city that never sleeps. So of course, they went here because they don't want to sleep too. I'm just so excited. So what are you gonna expect? Ano bang may expect nila sa vlog ko, Maring?
More trouble, more chika, more drama.
Yeah, I think.
More sana all.
More sana all.
Because I jowa, sana all.
I think year 2024 is like more about like choosing myself. May mga ganun tayo.
Ano nga?
True, no? Year 2024 is like more. Hopefully more travels. Just here in New York though, because I need to take or like make contents like yung mga kababayan nating hindi pa nakapunta dito, na balak pumunta, baka gusto nilang makita muna kung ano ba ang New York, what's really in New York. So I'm gonna make content like Brooklyn Bridge, Times Square of course, like city life and like New York life in general.
6.5 hours later.
Doon na wala kang love.
Ano?
Ba't yun napamukha sa akin ng mundo na wala kang love?
Every time makakadaan kami ng mga pang Valentine's like flowers, chocolates, yung mga pang gift pang Valentine's, dahil umiiyak na lang talaga si Julius. Sinasabi niya, bakit wala akong jowa? Kaloko talaga to si Julius. Pero yun na nga, makahanap din siya, di ba? Alam niyo naman si Julius na pack fresh. So, nandito kami sa mga panglaruan. For the laro-laro po kami.
Laruan tayo. Taguan ng feelings. Ay. Panalo na ako dyan.
Panalo ka na dahil.
Hello! Alright, so ano to?
Nagbo-vlog na po kami ulit.
Ganon?
Para magka-pera. Wala, alam mo naman wala tayong pera. Pakilala ka muna.
Tignan mo yung shopping niya, guys. Charot, shopping review.
Iba talaga ang matured na, no? Iba talaga ang may pamilya na. Yung kanina nakita nyo kung saan kami sa mga laruan. Ito si Kuya Tep, mga pang ayan. Ito yung mother ko dito.
Hindi po yan totoo. Kaya maniwala.
Anong tawag ko noon sa'yo? Nung first natin meet, madam? So, hindi ako madam. Ang mother na, ang sabi rin yung mother namin sa namin. Yung plano nga namin, puntahan, i-surprise kayo dun sa bahay. Sabi ko, baka wala sila or baka nagpapahinga. Ay, dahil, iba nang hinahanap. Ayun, nag-ano lang kami ngayon. Kahit saan lang kuya, gala-gala para may
Kasi?
Oo nga. Tapos gusto lang namin mag-vlog ulit para magka-pera na. Diyos ko, wala na kami pera, kuya. I die for the closet wardrobe talaga na si kuya. Kasi kakalipat lang nila ulit dito. Galing sila, Buffalo.
Mahal. Hindi kaya ng budget.
Hindi kaya. Magkano ba?
$90.
I die for the 90 ito, oh. Afford lang yan ni kuya. Diyos ko. Day, may-ari ng Fastener Tower. Tower Fastener, ano ba yung company niya? Kasi winter.
Ayan,
Anong size? 22 na lang.
15.
Ay, 15. 15 bucks. 15 bucks. Elsa, winter. Pa-screenshot. Name, Elsa. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Screenshot. Okay, yours na po. Elsa, blue. Elsa Vogue. Elsa Vogue pala.
One eternity later.
Hi guys! Oh, we don't need this because it's copyright. Okay. Nothing. So, time check, girl. It's 4:38. No videos. Because we're like, you know, so famous and everyone was like bugging us. Like, can we take a photo? Like, no, stop. So, you guys are like reacting there like it didn't happen. So I got there, if you can see H&M, I got the winter coat because I don't have, I mean I do have before, I don't have right now. So thank you, babe. We are now here onto our next destination. It's called Kabayan. Ay, marapog kong hulagwayan. Hi! Muna mo Miss Kabayan. Kumusta?
Okay na. Ano mo?
Oh, gutom na kay Mi. So I'm doing vlog. I'm making my vlog content. So, and I'm also doing live TikTok. Wow. So, hello guys. What we got? We got this Bicol Express. My favorite sinigang na baboy.
Lechon kawale.
Kare-kare and lechon kawale. And of course, my favorite dinner, my boyfriend. Cheers. So we're gonna have our dinner first, and I'll see you soon later. Mwah. Hi babe, how's your food? What did you get?
I don't remember.
Bicol Express.
Bicol Express.
Yeah. How was it?
Pretty
Like,
good.
if you're gonna like, what do you call that? Like, explain it to other people who never had Bicol Express. What is it like?
It's like a little spicy, Something about it almost tastes like tuna fish.
Tuna fish.
Yeah.
Wait, what is Bicol Express then?
What is that?
It was pork with like coconut
Yeah, pork
and chilies.
And then a lot of chili.
Yeah.
Did you like it though?
It was good.
Rate
I would
one to
get it
10.
again. 7. For reference, sisig is a 15.
Oh my god. Sisig is a 15 over 10. Girl. So I don't know if you can see it. So we're here like in Kabayan Grill, Long Island. So that's it. That's it for tonight. We're so full. We had our dinner. Oh my god, now we're going home. It's so cold. And wow, it's 6:17 p.m. It's already so dark outside. Because we are outside, of course. And sobrang bilis kasi magdilim dito mga alas 3, alas 4. Sobrang dilim na kasi nga winter. So we're on our way home. As I've said earlier, we just had our dinner at Kabayan. And then I think that's it for today, I guess. And so I'll see you soon later for my outro. I'm gonna do outro in the house, so you can also see our like new living room wall that me and my boyfriend painted it together because we chose the frosted sage color. It's so nice. I believe it's so good. And yeah, I'll see you later in the house. Bye! Balutin mo ako. Bye!
Thank you,
Hi, Julius.
I'm so sorry. So thank you kaayo. Marami pong salamat sa nanonood, manunood, at nanood na. O ano ba? But anyways, thank you so much again, everyone, sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa Wawaw Charis. Ayun na nga. So what can you expect for my next vlog? I think marami pa for sure. And I'm excited. I'm excited to make more content or make more vlogs. You know what I mean? Because I have like upcoming shows, rave shows. My boyfriend and I were telling like go somewhere, places, especially spring and summer. Girl, I can't wait for spring and summer because we can literally like do things outside, like apple picking or whatever picking is that, winery tasting, everything. You know what I mean? So, and if you have suggestions for like what vlogs or what contents I should make, especially I'm here in New York, comment down below. And also don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, heymashew, Dagdagan. Follow my Instagram, heymashew, Twitter, heymashew. Oh, that's not Twitter anymore, it's X, heymashew. TikTok, heymashew. Facebook, Dagdagan. You know. I love you guys. Again, I want to say this again. Haluan mga kamans! Good night, everyone, and see you next time. Mwah.